Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another Spanish English lesson, and I figured it out finally. What level is it? It's the A1, early A1, as you can see on the right side on the panel on the screen. We are currently learning content aligned with the very early A1 level of CEFR. So basically, yeah, I don't know how to speak at all. That means basically that's what it means. In real life, this means you can use simple phrases for everyday needs. Hola, buenos días. Hello, good morning. Mi familia es grande, my family is big. Una mesa para dos, por favor. A table for two, please. To be honest with you, the last 4 days I didn't really learn. For a couple of days, like, I just use gems. And what I'm trying to say, like, today is 18th day of learning with like 3 days of break. And if you're doing like on early stage, you're doing with like 1 day break, I'm not really convinced I will be like able or take any sentence in Spanish from my memory to use it. Like, hola, buenos días, yeah, okay, but mi familia es grande. Well, right now when I'm reading that, it's like super easy, but I don't know, like, that would be like my first thought in my mind to say anything at all. Right. Okay, so we're just gonna start with it. It's the second group. The last video was this unit. Greet people, and right now we have the get around in the city. There's going to be 3 small lessons. There we go. Already finished them, but I didn't really know I want to make it on the YouTube that, but then when I'm doing that, I need to learn on every day. So I'm just gonna do this as soon as possible when I'm on the computer. So basically, like, that's gonna be actually my first thing to do. Starting like work on the computer. So, excuse me, disculpa.
Disculpe. Sí, por favor.
Super loud, I have super loud, but I'll keep it. Sí, por favor. Yes, please. Inglés.
Disculpe.
Disculpa. Excuse me. Goodbye. Goodbyes. Adios.
Adiós.
Adios.
Hola, ¿hablas inglés? Hola. Habla inglés.
Hola, hablas inglés? Hello, are you? Do you speak English? Hello, do you speak English?
Yo hablo español.
You hablo español? Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. I speak. I do speak. Yo hablo. I speak English, right? Spanish. I'm sorry. Yo hablo español. I mean, we can click here and then we will see, but just trying to figure it out. But
Yo hablo.
I speak español. I speak español.
Gracias. Adiós.
Gracias.
Adiós.
Adiós. Thank you. Goodbye.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Buenos días. Good morning.
No, lo siento.
No lo
No.
siento.
Lo siento.
No lo siento. I don't really know what that means, to be honest. Like, no, it's obviously no. Maybe I don't know. No lo siento, but I don't. No, sorry, no. No, sorry. Okay.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Noches is like.
Noches.
In my mind, it's like, I mean.
Noches.
Right now, you've noticed that, but it's like in my mind when it's like ni and it's like night, no, buena, no, night. So that's like. It's gonna be a good night. It's like lots of similarities in English already from the beginning, I've noticed, and in Polish, like it's going to be like lots of words just basically the same. Like in Polish, bus is autobus, and in Spanish the same autobus, and it's the other way around. Lots of English words. It's going to be like similar. So definitely kind of like. Well, I don't want to say I don't want to use the word easy, but it's definitely easier to learn Spanish when you have like Polish and English background already, and then it's not going to be that hard to pick up actually. So I think I should be able to talk within a few years. Fingers crossed. Okie dokie, so what we have? Woman, mujer.
Mujer.
Boy, it's Niño.
Niño.
Hello, it's hola.
Hola.
Spanish,
Español.
Español, and goodbye, adios.
Hola, mucho gusto.
Hola, hola, mucho gusto. That sounds like it's Italian or something, like mucho, much. I think it's much, I don't know. Gusto. Hola, it's hi. Hello. Mucho gusto is nice to meet you, I think. Yeah.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
Nice to meet you. ¿Tú hablas inglés? No, lo siento. No, I'm sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento, perdón.
Perdón.
I'm sorry, pardon me. Oh, that's like a coffee and you just split coffee on the t-shirt. So, lo siento, perdón.
Sí, gracias.
Sí, gracias. De nada. I know it's de nada, but I don't know what is like sí, gracias. I think is like, yes, thank you. And de nada means, well, thank you. Like, thank you back. You're welcome. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah. De nada, sí. Agua,
Agua.
por favor. Obviously, it's agua. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to jump to lesson number 2. They're all golden, by the way, because when you have premium app, you can do as much mistakes as you like. So that's only the reason. Normally, there's no way I would just jump with like normal like 5 mistakes and I will do the golden one because well, it just started to learn. So that's normal, I think.
Hola.
Hola, hello,
Inglés.
Inglés,
Niña.
niña,
Adiós.
adios, goodbye.
De nada, nada.
De nada, Luis. You're welcome,
Hola,
Luis.
buenos días.
Hola, buenos días. Hola is from with H. This is right now without H. Okay, my bad. Hola, buenos días. Hello, good morning.
No, lo siento. Lo.
No lo siento, no sorry.
Sí, por favor.
Sí, por favor. Yes, please. Thanks. I don't remember already. Like, gracias. That's the thing, like, when I see like names, English and Spanish, like it's super easy to do those I don't know how you call that, like you have revision cards like this. So you just have like one side is in English, one side is in Spanish. So like when I have this, I'm like super fast, blazing fast even. Like 4 days ago, I was doing some like was some lesson and you have to press like super fast, you know, and I managed to do it, so I was actually happy about this. But as soon as I have like I need to just put the word from my mind, like 2 weeks is not enough
Yo hablo español.
to memorize everything. Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. I speak English, Spanish. Why am I always saying español in English? Obviously Spanish. No, thank you. No, gracias. No, gracias.
Hola, mucho gusto.
Hola, mucho gusto. Hello, nice to meet you. Perdón me, Juan. Pardon me, Juan. It's actually in English. I thought it's Spanish. that's a good thing. Pardon me, Juan. So that's going to be perdón.
Perdón. Juan.
Juan, I think that's it. Yeah.
Juan, ¿tú hablas inglés?
Juan, do you speak English? Juan.
Juan, ¿tú hablas inglés?
Juan, ¿tú hablas inglés? Excuse me? Culpa.
Disculpa.
Sounds like some religions stuff, like culpa. Good morning, Juan. Excuse me, it's goodbye. Goodbye, Juan. So, adios. Adios. Dice what? Adios. Dobra.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, night. Good night. Good night. Juan, do you speak English? One,
Juan,
two,
tú
hablas
hablas
inglés.
inglés.
Who means basically do you? One, do you hablas speak English? One, two hablas in class?
Disculpe.
Excuse me?
Sí, yo hablo español.
Yes, I speak Spanish. Sí, yo hablo español.
Sí, yo hablo español.
Sí, yo hablo español. Okay.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días. Hello, good morning. Okay. And, I don't remember. That's it, right? That was the third lesson or second? 10 minutes, I think that was the second. Anyway, I'm just gonna carry on one more time. Excuse me, disculpa.
Yo hablo inglés.
Inglés. Yo hablo inglés. I speak English. Excuse me,
Disculpa.
disculpa.
Hola, ¿hablas inglés?
Hola, hablas inglés? Hola, hablas inglés? Hello, do you speak English? Excuse me, disculpa.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
You hablas inglés? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak Spanish. Sí.
Sí,
Sí,
yo.
hablo español. But that's alright. Juan, do you speak English? Ooh. Yo. No, it's two. 1, 2. Hablas inglés. Tú hablas inglés. 1, 2. I made mistake. But I thought I actually typing A, so
Yo hablo español.
yo hablo español. Spanish. Español. And S supposed to be Español. I speak Spanish.
Yo hablo
español.
español.
Okay. Excuse me. Disculpa. Disculpa. Speak English. Yo hablo inglés.
¿Tú hablas español?
Tú hablas español. Do you speak Spanish? Tú hablas inglés. Do you speak English? 1, 2. Hablas inglés. 1, 2 hablas inglés. 1, 2 hablas inglés. Okay, it was fast, easy. Right now everything is like super easy. 15 minutes and that's it. I'm not gonna do anything more today. I'm just happy. I think I'm just going to do this year like super straight, like a year or more. I just want to learn every day. I don't know why I postpone with this. But right now when I'm like have a flow to recording basically everything what I'm doing and putting on the YouTube, at some point when I'm going to have better understanding and knowledge of Spanish lessons, I will add lots of stuff like even writing down. Or maybe doing like a presentation in the PowerPoint with the flashcards. Other resources I have some books because I want to actually go and do the certificate, like a professional accreditation. So I don't really want to learn just from Duolingo and oh, I have like high level of Duolingo. I already bought the books. The same way, like you're doing every language, you have obviously accreditation. So higher level you go, you have to go and do the course. So I hopefully this year when I'm going to achieve. So I will just show you what. And with that being said, I'm super happy to move on with my other tasks. So take care and bye for now.